Sit in any comfortable meditation posture, preferably Padmasana. Those who cannot sit in a meditation posture may sit against a wall with the legs outstretched or in a chair which has a straight back. Keep the head and spine upright. Relax your whole body and close your eyes. Your hands should be in the nose-tip position. Hold the fingers of the right hand in front of the face. Rest the index and middle fingers gently on the eyebrow center. Both fingers should be relaxed. The thumb is above the right nostril and the ring finger above the left. These two digits control the flow of breath in the nostrils by alternately pressing on one nostril, blocking the flow of breath, and then the other. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Do not strain. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril, and the time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. At the end of inhalation, close the right nostril, open the left nostril, and exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. Open the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Gently close your earlids with your index finger. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, make a loud humming sound like a bee. At the end of exhalation, breathe in deeply and repeat the process. Come back to the starting position. Sit tall on the floor. Sit bones grounded with your legs together straight in front of you and hands on the knee. Bend your right leg, placing the heel of your foot against your perineum and the sole of your foot against the inside of your left thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up without shrugging. Exhale and hinge forward from the hip towards the straight leg. Hold the knee, shin or toes with both hands as you lead the stretch from the chest. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Inhale and exhale to deepen the stretch. Do not pull from the head or arms and instead focus on maintaining an almost flat back as you lead from the chest. Come back up to sitting position. Bend your left leg and place the left foot just like the right leg. Inhale, raise the arms and rotate torso slightly towards the straight leg. Exhale. Bend forward and try to touch the toes. Mid-back should not round excessively. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Keep your shoulders squared to the front at all times. Square the right shoulder in line with the left shoulder. Sit on the floor, sit bones grounded with the legs together straight in front of you, feet relaxed and hands on the knees. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips and reach arms towards the toes. If you cannot reach the toes, hold your shins and ankles and lead the stretch from the chest and not forehead. Keep legs activated and feet flexed and push the heels away from you and try to deepen the stretch with every exhalation. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Lead the forward bend from your chest and chin and look at your big toes. To begin, lie down on your back. Bend your right knee, then your left knee and keep your feet apart. Hold your ankles with your hands. Your heels should touch your hips. Now inhaling, slowly lift your lower back, middle back and upper back as much as you can off the floor. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Try lifting your back as high as possible and expand your chest upwards. With knees, ankles and big toes touching the ground, take a kneeling position. Sit on the heels and place palms on the knees. Place your hands on your knees and set your gaze forward with your head straight. Draw the abdominal region inside and expand the chest. Turn your attention to your breathing. Be fully aware of how you breathe and carefully observe as you inhale and exhale. You should close your eyes to concentrate on your breathing and to calm your mind. Note: beginners can take packing of a pillow or rolled carpet below the ankle and knee if they find too much stretch in their ankle joint. Come back to starting position and relax. Lie on your back with the legs apart and relax the whole body. Place your right hand slightly below your navel and left hand on your left chest. Inhale slowly and deeply. Fill the belly up with your breath. Expand the belly with air like a balloon. When the belly is full, draw in a little more breath and let that air expand into the rib cage. Let it fill the upper chest all the way up to the collarbone. On the exhale, let the breath go first from the upper chest, allowing the heart center to sink back down. Then from the rib cage, letting the ribs slide closer together. Finally, let the air go from the belly, drawing the navel back towards the spine. This is one yogic breath. Breathe in at a relaxed pace without sound and force. Feel the air reaching into the bottom of the lungs. Inhale slowly and deeply. Fill the belly up with your breath. When the belly is full, draw in a little more breath and let that air expand into the rib cage. Let it fill the upper chest all the way up to the collarbone. Feel the body relax with every exhalation. There should be no tension on the face or arms. Lie flat on the back with your arms comfortably away from your body, palms facing upward. A thin pillow or folded cloth may be placed under the head to prevent discomfort. Let the fingers curl up naturally. Move your feet slightly apart to a comfortable position and close your eyes. Release all the stress from your muscles and relax. Feel the relaxation. Focus on your muscles. Relax your toes, heels, ankles, your shin, your calves, your knees, back side of your thighs, front side of your thighs. Relax your hips. Relax your abdomen, your root chakra, the base of your spine, mid-back, your stomach, your upper back, your upper chest, shoulders, arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrist, your fingers, and your palms. Relax your neck muscles, your face, your chin, cheeks, lips, your nose, your ears, your eyes, and your forehead. And now relax your mind. Leave all your thoughts, leave all your worries, and feel the relaxation. Do not move your body parts. Relax mentally.